What's up guys, it's Unders here with a quick Logic tip. Someone's asked me how you can make like the lo-fi drum sounds in Logic. Super easy to do, so I thought I'd just show you a quick way we can do it just using a couple of features, one plugin, Alchemy and a gate and a bit crusher, and what we can do with that. So what we can do, we've got a nice clean break here and we're just going to gritty that up so it sounds like this before. And when we've grittied it up, cool, so I'll just take you through from scratch how to do it. So we'll just duplicate our audio channel, Command and D. Let's bring a piece of audio down to there. And we're going to get rid of the plugin. And we'll even delete that. And we'll delete that channel as well. So here we are, a nice blank piece of audio. The effect that we're going to put actually on the piece of audio itself is going to be the bit crusher. Now you can change this to pretty much however you want. 8-bit is going to be pretty hard crushed. It gives it that kind of MPC-style sound. What we can do is downsample and then push it to sort of 12-bit, which is a bit later, like MPC-style sampling, but the downsampling really crushes it a bit more. That's what gives us that really like lo-fi hat sound, right? Just like that. And then we need like the vinyl crackle and background crackle, and it's cool to keep that separate, so we use Alchemy to make that. So let's add a new channel, go software instrument. I've got Alchemy preloaded. We're going to create you. Beautiful. So we've got Alchemy loaded up. We're just going to blank this patch. We're going to go file, initialize preset. Over here on the left hand side it says global, we've got A just next to it. We're going to go boom and hit on A. We want to turn the oscillator off, we don't care for it. We want to turn the noise oscillator on, and we're going to switch that beauty onto vinyl. Probably going to be crazy loud, so we'll dial it back by like, I don't know, minus 15 dB and work it from there. We now need something to trigger it, so we're going to put some MIDI in here, and we'll just put one nice MIDI track, and we can just have one long note, and now we'll have this. Cool, so it just sounds like it's running on a really loud crackly vinyl. Now there's two things we can do here. What I did initially was use a noise gate, so we can bash a noise gate on that vinyl sound. We go up into the sidechain, we use the sidechain, we send it to audio 2, beautiful. Audio 2 now triggers that gate, so it only lets that sound come through when this triggers. Want to give it a bit of hold and a bit of release, so there's some more vinyl noise in there. And that just grits up those drum hits. Now you can use the threshold and the hysteresis to adjust that to maybe just go on the kicks or just go on the snares. However you want to work it, completely your call. The other thing we can do, which gives a different effect, is to put a compressor on. We use sidechain the compressor, and instead that gives noise in between the hits rather than making the hits gritty. I will show you the difference just here. In fact, let's use my preset. So now the kick drum and snare will snap right through, but the noise will be in between. And that's a cool way to get like the sampled from vinyl sound, but still have really clear and punchy drums. So guys, that's just a really quick way that you can whip up some lo-fi sounding drums when you've got really clean samples. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, thank you. Subscribe to this channel, bash a like on the video. If you've got any questions, throw them in the comments down below. I do my best to get back to everyone, and I will see you on the next video.